Hi, goodies. A very good morning to one and all. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Maths class. Today we are going to learn new chapter. It is time. So, a day consists of morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, a day consists of morning, afternoon, evening, and night. This is defined by time. So they are given you Sampada's activity, what she will do in a day. So it is Sampada's day. See the first one. Get up for school. Morning you will get up, no, like that. She will get up for school. The next one, after getting up, she will dress up herself. Take bath, brush teeth, and do all the activity, and then she will eat a breakfast. After eating her breakfast, what she will do? She will go to school. There in the school, she will read a story. So after going to school, she will read a story in the school. As you do, you will read, and then write, and then play. Now the same thing. She is reading a story. In the afternoon, she will eat her lunch. The next one, after coming to home, she will play with her friends. Okay, the next one, after playing, she will dress up herself, next she will study for some time. Okay, after playing, she will study for some time. The next one, after studying, she will go to bed. So these are the activity of Sampadas. So you too have some activity now. You just say those activity to your parents. Okay, the next one, tick the activity that you do in the morning. So which one you will do in the morning? You have to tick that in the first one. They are given you 4 pictures in the first one. Now in that you have to tick the activity that you do in the morning. The next one, you have to tick the activity that you do in the evening. So you have to tick the activity that you will do in the evening. Next one, tick the activity that you do in the day. In the daytime, what activity will you do? You have to tick that. The next one, tick the activity that you do at night. At night time, what you'll do, that thing you have to tick here. Okay, the next one, number the activities in sequence. So what activity is it, this ma? What is this activity? This is kneading. Okay, kneading. This is kneading. What do you mean kneading? Kneadingனா என்ன? பிசையிறது. ஓகேங்களா? என்னத்தை பிசைகிறாங்க இங்கே? மாவு. ஓகே, சப்பாத்திக்கு மாவு பிசைகிறாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஃபார் தட் வாட் யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? வி ஹாவ் டு புட் த ஃப்ளோர் இன் த வெசல். மாவை என்ன பண்ணணும்? வெசலில் போடணும். த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஆஃப்டர் தட் வி ஹாவ் டு ஆட் சம் water. This one we have to add some water. This is the second picture. Next, what you have to do, we have to knead the flour. Next one, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? மாவை நல்லா பிசையணும். So this is third one. After that, we have to make it as round chapati. So you have to press it with the roller வச்சு என்ன பண்ணணும்? நல்லா press பண்ணணும். So this is your fifth activity. The next one, we have to light the fire. We have to light the stove. என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஸ்டவ் பற்ற வச்சா தானே நம்மளால் சப்பாத்தி சுட முடியும். ஆனால் we have to light up the stove. Now your chapati is ready to eat. So this is your last one, number 6. Okay, you have to put number. So this is number 1, and this is number 2, this is number 3, the next one number 4, and this is your number 5, and last is this. Okay, this is your number 6. The next one, tick the activity that will take longer. So they are given you 2 activity. In this activity, you have to tick which one will take more time. நிறைய நேரம் எது எடுக்கும்? The first one, they are given a bucket. Okay, they are kept a bucket under a tap. So which one will take time to get filled? First picture, bucket. Second one is your barrel. So which one will take long time? You have to tick that. Now next, see, a boy is walking to school. Okay, he is walking to school from his home. So which one will take longer time? The first picture, or else the second one is going to school by his bicycle. Okay, so which one will take longer time, first or second? this thing you have to do it at your home. So page number 90 and 92 are your homework you have to do. Okay, please complete these 2 pages in your maths textbook. Okay dear. Okay, take care. Bye bye.